Hi guys, we're gonna do as exercise number 1 in the spreadsheet worksheet level 2. So this exercise asked us to work on a weekly worksheet for a team. So the task will include to amend some hours in the spreadsheet and calculate the total hours, calculate the weekly pay, calculate the total weekly pay, format the spreadsheet in order to add the meaning to the spreadsheet, and at the end we need to create a graph in a different tab. So let's see. First things is say to change Giorgio Adamo and Lucy James the hours. So Giorgio Adamo 9 hours, Giorgio Adamo so on Sunday 9 hours, and Lucy James is 4 hours on Sunday. Perfect. So we done the first task. So let's format the spreadsheet now. So spreadsheet, we're gonna put the border all around. So I'm gonna select all the cells like this, how you can see, and we're gonna go here, home. After we're gonna do the borders from here, and we do all borders. Also, we're gonna change the top uh, different color, maybe in gray, so to make the heading stand out. Okay, and this is the title of the spreadsheet. I can maybe enlarge a bit the text, and we can move this one underneath. So we do click on the cell, right click, we do cut, and we're gonna click on the second cell and we're gonna paste it on there. Okay, so we have the spreadsheet is already organized. We're gonna align this one next to it because here it's gonna be done the total. Okay, so now we have all the settings, and we're gonna maybe enlarge a little bit the all the columns. So we're gonna select from B until K like this. So clicking from B and dragging until K, and after we like resize in the middle between two of the, and it's gonna do all the column on the same value. Okay, so other things we're gonna do. This one is a rate and weekly pay. That money. So we're gonna highlight the column, and we're gonna go here on the top. So home, and we're gonna change the formatting. So here they are setting for number formatting. So we're gonna use the accounting one, and we're gonna do the same things for that one there, where we're gonna put our formula. So now the spreadsheet is ready for us, and we're gonna calculate total hours. So total hours, we need to adapt this one. So we're gonna use the formula sum equal sum open bracket. We're gonna select with the mouse or the days entry, and we're gonna close bracket and press enter, and we have our total. So now we're gonna copy and paste, or otherwise shortcut, click on that, and we're gonna drag from the corner. So we're gonna take the corner and we're gonna drag it down. This is really important. You need to be able to see the black cross like this in order to be able to do the copy and paste in this way. Okay, so now we're gonna calculate weekly pay, which is hourly rates times total hours. So equal uh, the total hours times the weekly pay, enter, and now we're gonna do the same things. We're gonna drag it down. It's done. Also now here we need to calculate the total here. So we're gonna use the option auto sum and press enter, and it's gonna do the sum for us. So now the spreadsheet, all the calculations are complete. So just let's put some note on the heading, so to give an idea of the operation. So I click on total hours, I do right click, and I do insert comment. So my version is a bit older, it say insert comment. In the new version it say notes, so insert note. Okay, so let's put it like total hours equal 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 sum and selection. So this is the formula that need to be done on this one. So this one, weekly pay. So that's the same things, right click, insert comment, and I'm gonna write weekly pay. So weekly pay, it's edit again. So total hours, time, uh, hourly rate. Okay, I'm gonna enlarge the box so it's easier to see the things, and I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna unbold the text. Voilà. So now if someone need to do the spreadsheet, you can see the things. This is very useful to be able to give some direction to the people. Okay, so now we need to create the graph. We can create the graph for, we can do one graph for the hours and one graph for the weekly pay. So let's do the graph for the uh, breakdown from Monday to Friday. So I select the tables like this, and I do insert, and I'm gonna use the line chart for this one. So clear this one. Okay. Oh, actually, we can do using F11 as well. So if I press F11, it will create the graph in a different tab. So for instance, this one it show the names and each hours. So we could do the change the column, like switch row columns like this. So instead to show by person, it will show like by day. Okay, and here you can see the person that he done the hours. Okay, so this graph I prefer like this. So this one is gonna be like weekly hours. The graph title. Okay, I'm gonna increase the text, so bold, and maybe do like 20, and also I can change the color of the text. So actually this exercise yes, the tab red, so I'm gonna put the color red. Let's put 24. Okay, so now we got something is already set up. I just want to add one thing here, so we can add the grid lines, and we can add the data labels. So here on the chart design, we go add, we can put grid lines, and we can use this one, and you can see it's easier to see the things here, hours, and also another things, another change we can do, we can move the okay. So to resize the graph, we just need to go on the corner and do exactly like we do with the pictures, and after we can just move it, and I'm gonna put the name of the people here on the side. Okay, I can resize like this, and we can put we can enlarge the font as well, so like maybe 12, so at least it's easier to see the name of the people. Maybe let's go there on the top, and voila. So actually there's probably it would look better if I put it on the bottom like this. Perfect. So we have all the names, the things, and now let's see for the data labels. So the data labels I like to be put outside. So the only things that you can see, it may become a bit confusing for to have too many data label like this. Because anyway, if if you go on the top of the bar, it will tell you the name of the person. So to be fair, I don't like too much to put it because you can have the same information just moving the mouse around. It's good to have the data label when you are intended to print the, the the graph, for instance. Okay, so now we're gonna move this one after exercise, and we're gonna rename it as C1. Perfect. Okay, we can do another graph showing we can do like a pie chart for the weekly pay, for instance. So it will show the proportion for who is the staff that get more money. So F11, and we're gonna go change type of chart. We're gonna pick the pie chart. So let's make the one like this, or we can check for different design like this one. It look better for my point of view. And you go to the percentage, or we can check there is any other graph. So for instance, this one is even better because you see the percentage and the name, and you can change the color, like fill color. You pick another color like this, and it's meaningful. I like it this way. Okay, and now we go to another graph. So this one we're gonna call it C2. Okay. And let's change the color of the tab as well. So we're gonna put the color exactly the same like the exercise, and voila, it's done. Thank you for watching.